Hello YouTube, thanks for joining us again for this tutorial. Today we are going to cover the basic function in Excel such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. As we've done in previous videos, we are going to provide examples on how to use those functions so that you can become a master at them. So without any further ado, in this example we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we're gonna start with addition. So basically, when you're trying to do addition, you want to add multiple cells together to obtain a value. So you click on the cell where you want your value to show up. So in our case, it's gonna be B5. So I'm gonna equal, and I will put B3, which is my first cell that I'm trying to add, plus B4, which is my second cell. Then you click enter, and that's the value that get returned. So let's do subtraction. Very similar, equal the value that you are subtracting from, so 500 minus 20, enter, that's 480. Multiplication, so we are trying to multiply 1000 times 50, so you point at D3 times 50, enter, and for division you're trying to divide 300 by 150, so equal 300 divide by 150, enter. So this is how you do the basic function. There will be instances where you want to do addition and subtraction based on multiple value. So this is going to be our second example. So the second example, we are looking at a basketball statistic for six different teams. So you have team A, team B, team C, D, E, and F, and we will be populating the total shot attempted, the total shot made, total shot missed, total 2-point score, total 3-point score, and the total score, and the shot made percentage based on the element that we already have. And we also will be calculating the total using the element that we have here. So the idea is for us to be able to use the addition function, the multiplication function, division, and as well as the percentage. So here we are trying to calculate the total shot attempted. If you are familiar with basketball or not familiar with basketball, basically we have two columns. So we have the column, the 2-point shot attempted. So for team A, they have 20 2-point shot that they've attempted, but they also have 30 3-point shot that they've attempted. So the total shot attempted will be 20 plus 30. So here it's going to be equal 20, which is B3, plus 30, which is D3, and enter. So we have 50 shot attempted for team A. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag down my formula all the way down. So here you can see for team F, they had 32 2-point shot attempted and 12 3-point shot attempted. Therefore their total shot attempted will be 44. So now we are looking at the shot made. Basically it's gonna be, for the 2-point shot made we had 5, and the 3-point shot made we had 10. So very similar, equal 5, which is C3, plus 10, which is E3, enter. So they have total shot made of 15. So I'm just gonna drag the formula down for the remaining teams, and here we have. Now we are trying to figure out how many total shots that they've missed. So the math will be very simple. We know how many shots that they've attempted, and we know how many shots they've made. Therefore, the number of shots that they've missed will be the total shot attempted minus the total shot made. So in our case, it's going to be equal this cell or this value minus the value in this cell. So 50 minus 15 and enter. So 35 shots were missed. Again, I'm gonna drag it down for the rest of my formula. For the rest of the remaining teams. And here you go. Now we want to know how many total 2-point scores that we had. So we know we made 5 2-point shots. So since we made 5 2-point shots, so the total score will be 5 times 2 because there are 2-point shots. So times 2. So you just type 2, enter. So the total score will be 10 on the 2-point shot. And I'll drag it down. Okay. Now I will do the same for the total 3-point score. So we have 10 3-point shot made. Therefore, it's going to be 10 times 3 points. Enter. Then we got 30, and I'll drag it down. Okay. So the total score, it's basically the total 2-point score plus the total 3-point score. So it's gonna be this cell plus this cell. Enter. So we have total score of 40. So I can simply drag this down as well. Okay. Now I want to know what's the shot made percentage. We know we've attempted 20 shots, or we've attempted 50 shots, but we only made 15 shots, right? So therefore, the shot made percentage will be the number of shots that we've made divided by the number of shots that we've attempted. So it's going to be equal. We are looking at 15, this cell right here. So I'm going to click here. Divided by the total shot attempted, 50, and enter. So we have 0.3. So in Excel, it gives you the values, but since we are looking at the percentage, I'm just gonna click on the percentage sign. So 30% of our shot were made, and I can drag this down. Voila. And as you can see, Team C has 91% of their shot made, which is very good. So now we want to look at the total across all teams. So what is the total 2-point shot attempted? So it's going to be, we can either do cell B plus this plus 50 plus this cell plus this cell plus this cell. So as you can see, I had to select every single cell in order for me to get my value of 167. We can do it similar if we use the function sum. So it's going to be sum, and I can just select all the cells that I want to get the total, and close the parenthesis, enter. So 167 is how many shots we've attempted. Since I want to look at the total across the board, I can simply just drag it down all the way here. Okay. And for the shot made percentage, we know it's going to be however many shots we've made, so 131 divided by 249 total shot attempted. enter. So we have to convert this in percentage. So I'm just gonna click on percentage here. And across all teams, we had 53% shot made for that season. So thank you for watching. I hope this was informative on how to use the addition, multiplication, division, as well as subtraction in Excel. If you liked the video, please leave us a like and a comment. If there is additional content or element that you'd like to see, please leave your question, and we'll be making more videos. Please subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video. Thank you.